Looking to diversify your investments and earn some cash? Multifamily real estate could be your golden ticket. Here's why it's smart. Steady cash flow. Even with vacancies, other renters keep income flowing. Savings. Managing multiple units saves on maintenance and utilities. Growing investment. Well-maintained properties tend to increase in value. Risk diversification. Rent to a wider range of tenants, reducing reliance on a single investment. Tax benefits. Governments offer tax breaks for multifamily investors, boosting profits. Ready to dive in? While appealing, acquiring a multifamily property requires thorough research and financial analysis. Lenders look for cash-flowing properties, so ensure your deal meets this requirement. DealWorthIt simplifies this complex process by helping you accurately assess the profitability of potential investments. Start your 7-day free trial now at DealWorthIt.com.